Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, once again, I have just had a live session where I trade binary option. I trade every single Monday till Saturday live. Um, from Monday to Friday is at YouTube, and Saturday I trade on Discord. You find a link below the video for my Discord channel. Okay. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you never lose a live stream that I have. Because probably if you see this as a recording, that means you did lose my live session. So if you want to print money together with me, because we are most of the time, I have traded live now for 1.5 years, every single day. Not every single day because I don't trade Sundays, but I say every single day by the way. Basically only 11 times over 1.5 years I have lost money in a live session. So yes, I can lose money. It can, and it will happen in the future also, but it's very rare, very, very, very rare. And our losing sessions are always smaller than our winning sessions. Okay. So today was a little slow day. I will show you a little after, but we still made money. Okay. Now, the last thing, make sure that you sign up with this broker. You find the link below the video. The thing is, start with a demo account. See if you manage to follow my trades before you actually go in with real money. But when you decide to go in with real money, make sure you use the promo code you find also below the video, so you get 200% on your first deposit. Now the second part. If you want to join me in Saturdays, on Saturdays I trade on pocket option. Okay, so make sure you also use the link you find below the video there. I give you 60% of my own affiliate income over there because I have that option in my affiliate portal area. So I give you 60% of my affiliate income. So if you want that, make sure you close down your old account so you can get this extra cash back. Okay. Now, the introduction is done. Now let's see how we are done today. So let's go over. Let's open the trades, my trades. So as you can see, slow day, we just did 5 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, and we lost 1 only. That means with $100 trades, we did make a profit of $292. Now, that is not the end. Every time I'm trading, we get cash back. So you can see I got today, as I did just a few trades, we got just $18, but this money also. So when I push this now, that will be added to the real account you see here, right? So then let's push, and this, see, is added. Quite sweet, right? So then we got a little more. So our profit then ended up at $310. So I'm happy with that. It's money. Now for the last part, how are we trading? Basically, when you're trading with me, I put up lines and I explain that when you come up to this red line, and if you don't see this properly in my live sessions, you just tell it in the chat and I will tell you this number till you get it. Okay, so you can see how sweet it is to trade on this line. Every time the bar comes up to this line, we just push the down button and we have a closing on 1 minute. You can also use 30 seconds, up to you. Lately I have used 1 minute, and every time the bar comes up to this red line, we basically just push the down button. It's that simple. So and also right now we don't have line down here. You see this one here, but if you are long time away like this, I always turn this one into a blue line. Blue means just to follow. That means if we come down here and we see one test that looks more like these bars here, we then activate this one also to be a green bar and we can trade on it. So it's super easy to follow and anyone can make money together with me and trade together with me. So once again, make sure you sign up with the 2 brokers that you find below the video, because that's the 2 brokers I use on my live streams. And also make sure you join me in Discord. And of course, subscribe to this channel and YouTube and bell notification. I understand that 4 things I'm asking you to do, but if you like to make money and that is something you're passionate about, well, that's the 4 things you need to do today. Sign up to 2 brokers. Just use demo account for now. To sign up to the 2 brokers takes you maybe all in all 4 minutes. to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification. That should take you like 20 seconds. And to join me in Discord. If you don't have a Discord account from before, okay, probably use like 4 minutes to make that. So all in all, in less than 10 minutes, you're able to do everything. And if you think 10 minutes is much time for you to spend on this to start to make money online, then maybe it's not for you. But if you do all these 4 things, I will help you to get started and we can make some money together. Let's have a deal about that. So with that, have an amazing day, and I hope I see you in my live stream tomorrow. And make sure you write to me, because everyone that writes to me in the chat, I remember the people. And then I know when you come back again, I will welcome you back and we can make some money together. Okay? So with that, have an amazing day.